Top 7 Best Cordless Stick Vacuums 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 7. BrandX Model Y Cordless Stick Vacuum. 55 kilopascals, 70 minutes. Outshine the competition with the BrandX Model Y Cordless Stick Vacuum, delivering a powerful 55 kilopascal suction and up to 70 minutes of runtime. Compared to similar models, it offers superior performance, longer battery life, and effortless maneuverability. Whether tackling pet hair, dust, or debris on hard floors or carpets, Model Y excels where others fall short. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore features and see why it leads the pack. Designed for homes that demand efficiency and power, it's perfect for tools and home improvement enthusiasts. Experience smarter cleaning with advanced filtration, lightweight design, and intuitive controls. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. BrandX Model Y outperforms, outlasts, and outshines the rest. Number 6. LEVOIT LEVOIT 300 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Experience powerful, cordless cleaning with the LEVOIT LEVOIT 300 Stick Vacuum, engineered to outperform similar vacuums in its class. With advanced cyclone technology and a high-efficiency motor, it delivers stronger suction than many competitors, capturing dust, pet hair, and debris on all floor types. Lightweight and maneuverable, it easily transitions from hardwood to carpet. Just use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate settings. Unlike bulkier models, the LEVOIT 300 offers hassle-free storage and a long-lasting battery. Ideal for quick cleanups or deep cleans, it's a top choice in tools and home improvement. Upgrade your cleaning routine with LEVOIT, where innovation meets everyday convenience. Number 5. Bissell Cleanview XR PET 3797V Cordless Vacuum. The Bissell Cleanview XR PET 3797V Cordless Vacuum outperforms similar PET vacuums with its powerful suction, long-lasting battery, and lightweight design, ideal for quick cleanups and deep cleaning. Unlike bulkier competitors, it easily transitions from carpets to hard floors, capturing pet hair, dander, and debris with ease. Its swivel steering and detachable handheld unit offer unmatched maneuverability. Perfect for homes with pets, it includes specialized tools for upholstery and crevices. While other vacuums may fade or tangle, the XR PET maintains consistent performance. Whether you're in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, this versatile cleaner stands out. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore and see why pet owners choose Bissell for a cleaner, fresher home. Number 4. Eureka ReactiClean 410 Cordless Stick Vacuum. Outshine the competition with the Eureka ReactiClean 410 Cordless Stick Vacuum, engineered for superior suction, lightweight maneuverability, and all-day cordless convenience. Unlike bulkier models, it glides effortlessly under furniture and transitions seamlessly from hard floors to carpets. With up to 40 minutes of runtime and a powerful brush roll that resists tangles, it outperforms similar vacuums in its class. Easy one-touch emptying and LED headlights reveal hidden dust. Ideal for quick cleanups or whole home cleaning, the ReactiClean 410 is a smart upgrade for any household. Select Tools and Home Improvement to explore more and experience the difference. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate and compare. Clean smarter, not harder, with Eureka. Number 3. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum. Powerful and smart. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum redefines powerful, smart cleaning. Unlike similar cordless vacuums, it features laser-detected dust visibility, revealing microscopic debris you'd otherwise miss. Its advanced LCD screen displays real-time particle data, proving deep clean results. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free suction and intelligent power adjustment, it outperforms competitors in efficiency and adaptability. The high-torque cleaner head automatically adapts to floors and carpets, while anti-tangle technology handles long hair with ease. Lightweight and cordless, it offers unmatched maneuverability. Whether you're upgrading from older models or switching brands, the V15 Detect delivers superior suction, smarter insights, and a cleaner home, making it the top choice in tools and home improvement. Number 2. LEVOIT LVAC 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum. The LEVOIT LVAC 200 Cordless Stick Vacuum outshines similar models with powerful suction, lightweight design, and long-lasting battery life. Perfect for quick cleanups or deep cleaning. Unlike bulkier competitors, it easily converts to a handheld for versatile use on floors, furniture, and stairs. With a HEPA filtration system, it captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for homes with pets or allergies. Its cordless freedom and swivel steering ensure effortless navigation around furniture. Designed for tools and home improvement, the LVAC 200 combines performance and convenience at a competitive price. Upgrade your cleaning routine. Experience the difference with LEVOIT. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum, Red. Experience powerful, intelligent cleaning with the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum, Red, engineered to outperform competitors. Unlike similar vacuums, it features laser dust detection, revealing microscopic particles you can't see. The scientific piezo sensor counts and sizes debris, displaying results on the LCD screen for proof of deep clean. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free suction and advanced whole machine filtration, it captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Easily switch between floor types using the responsive torque drive cleaner head. Designed for homes with pets, hard floors, and carpets, the V15 Detect delivers unmatched performance, convenience, and insight, making it a standout in tools and home improvement. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.